WildBrain!
Cranes are normally the tallest mega machines on the building site. There are lots of different types of cranes, and they have lots of different purposes. But they all go up, and they all go down. Hey, I'm Lofty. Today I'm going up. Up we go! I can extend my lift arm to 20 meters in length. I think I can still go higher. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's see how high I can get. Is that high enough yet? Nope, we are going further. Oh, don't look down. It's really high up here. Wow! I can see a boat driving around in circles. Down we go. Hold on. My lift works with hydraulics. Isn't that clever? Nearly there. We got so high. That was so cool, guys. Wow.
Hi, I'm Greg the Grabber. I'm an adapted four-wheel drive Avant 200 series loader with a hydraulic boom and a unique grapple. Today, I'm stacking tires. Let me just lower this one here. There we go. Boom. Gosh, dang it all. That's not lined up at all. Let me fix this. Huh, all right. Easy now, Greg. Easy now. Let's go, let's go. Gotcha. Easy now, Greg. Easy now. Let's get this perfect. Nailed it. Gosh darn it. The third tire fell off the top. Namaste. Let's move to a more secure location. Let's back it up. Nearly there. Smashed it. Ah, geez, I'm running out of time. Better keep stacking. I've got 2 more tires to go. Oh, man. I dropped one. Come on, Greg. Get it together. Come on, Greg. Greg, you can do this. Let's get this 4th tire stacked. Darn it, Greg, get it together, man. I need to up my game. Time is of the essence. Ah, Greg mad. Let's try a different location. Here we go. Still have 2 more tires to go. Come on, Greg. You got this, son. Boom! 1 more to go. Let's get this done. Gently. Release! Right. Now, let's quickly deliver the tires to the boss lady. There's not much time. Come on, Greg, you're so close. Gosh dang it! Timber! Well, we'll make it next time. We live and learn.